Can I videotape him giving your blessing?
Who is the priest?
Yes.
Yes, you can give it. Yeah, and exit to our catcher. Had to go on a better. And that's coming. No. Wait a moment here. Wait a moment. You bring another cross, processional cross. Alright, so now we are in the interior part of the church. When you see the interior part of the church, there is decorated by different religious painting. So this painting that starts since the time of King Lalibela. And this church is what's unique for other churches. There is 7 rooms, the second gallery. 7 rooms, the second gallery. So north part, south part, west part. North part is 3, south part is 3, west part 1. That's symbolic of the 7 miracles of Jesus. When Jesus was crucified, when he was shouted, my Lord, why did you abandon me? As I times 10 7 miracles. The 3 on heaven, the 4 on earth. On heaven, the moon be blood, the sun be dark, all stars to follow down. On earth, the grave opened, the dead person woke up, the rock broken, and the curtain of the temple divided into 2 parts. This is one of the 7 miracles. First, you get a blessing by cross.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you take the video while giving the
Right.
blessing? Just press the red button.
On your body. Lay down, lay down. Yeah, lay down. Yes. Kiss it. The last one kiss. Alright. What other? The other? Yeah, you want? Okay. You pray like the cross is our power. This many, huh? Okay. The Lord of Saint, the Son of Saint, blessing and be with us. This we pray. And look, the Star of David here, Star of David. And okay, let's come in this way.
Who are those white people?
There is the 4 priests and the king of Zagwe dynasty. The 4 priests and the king of Zagwe dynasty, Saint Imran Christos, Saint Gabriel Maria, Saint Lalibela, and Saint Naakutolab as respectively. Look, the third one is King Lalibela or Saint Lalibela. His hand crosses differ from others. That's different from others. And look on the top, that's Palm Sunday. You know Palm Sunday? When Jesus rides the donkey, also they walk around Jerusalem. The baby of Israel, they say, welcome to the Son of David, welcome to the Son of David. They are doing it palm tree and their colors. And when you see this side, the 2 bulls fighting one to another, red bulls and the black bulls. So that's dedicated for daily activity of human being. Behind the black bulls, the cock, 3 cock, or roasted. Look, the 3 cock. That's symbolic of the denial of Peter. Because Jesus said for Peter, one or 2 apostles, before the cock crowed, you are denied 3 times. When the Jews asked him, Peter answered for them, I don't know this man, what are you say? I don't know this man, what are you say? 3 times. The denial of Peter. So the other one is there's the red colors, white colors as dedicated for the 7 miracle of Jesus. And like other churches, there is 3 parts. Behind the curtain, there's the Holy of Holy. Here, nave or this chanting room out of the church. Chanting room out of the church. Because this is the small grotto chapels. Imagine, this is the first project of King Lalibela. The first. The oldest church. The oldest church. St. George, the most popular churches. The last, the youngest church. We'll see after the cave churches, the St. George.
So this was the first, did you say?
This is the oldest church. St.
by
Mary is the
Lalibela?
oldest church. Yeah, King Lalibela. This is the oldest church. Okay, so now we'll try to go to the second group church because the most impressive church is found in the southern cluster.
Excellent. Family, this is incredible
We have
architectural
seen already
structure.
two churches.
We do have
the
some
interior part is the-
Not
the-
real white images, but obviously somebody painted them that way and donated them. But that's not our ancestors' look. Our ancestors African. So that picture of Jesus and Mary and whoever those white people are, that's not real.
We have one exam here.
I'm gonna try to avoid taking
Yeah, it's
pictures
a
of
big.
him like
You know the first
I have a
miracle
very
of
strong
Jesus?
compulsion to go move it.
You know the first
I don't know if
miracle
that'll
of
be
Jesus Christ?
sacrilegious,
You can say yes. You can say yes. So if you pass the exam, you will have a good life. Do you remember the first miracle of Jesus? The first. Okay. You can say yes. Multiplication of fish and bread?
Yeah,
No, this is the second.
that's the second.
Yeah, the first, when Jesus changed the water into the wine. In the
I was gonna say that, but I didn't want to be.
Yeah, look, the first paintings, plastration paintings that's dedicated for the first miracle of Jesus Christ.
That's kind of miracle I need to have. Turn me some water into some wine.
Yeah, as much money you'll be spending on
Yes, for family, the architectural
it.
here in Ethiopia is incredible. I mean, this is the greatness of our ancestors. Just like when we're showing you footage in 2004 in Egypt, you know, we're taking it to that next level. Ethiopia, in Lalibela, the Holy Land.
So now you can tie your shoes properly.
አሁን ያስፈልጋል?